If you're just joining us, North St. Paul tried to stop a stolen car. It fled on them. Per policy, they couldn't pursue, but they could rapidly follow. And so we followed it. Left North St. Paul, went to White Bear, went to...
Can I get a name? North St. Paul squad to the vehicle location. 2-6 will be in route.
Rick.
How's it going, people? Why don't we all take a knee? Take a knee. Take a knee.
There's a dog right around the corner.
You know who I am. Just take a knee.
2755 out with 5. Get our location off the MDT.
What is it? Well, take a knee. Take it. Just take a fucking knee. All right. Just go. We'll just go nice and easy. Do you have a gun? What were you talking about? I was trying to take my vape. Your vape?
122.
Put your vape on the ground in front of you.
Phone number for that in the history is not valid.
We just got back from the party. We're trying to find a...
Hey, listen. I'm all good, okay? We're just going to work through this, all right? You know the game. You know how it's played. The driver's going to be responsible, whoever that driver is. I don't know if the driver is one of you guys or the driver's the other guy that ran off, all right? So, just... Who was driving? Tell me the truth, you're going to get a break.
I just got back from the old party. Mr. Bob, come on, brother. I heard about you. Mr. Bob, I heard you a good man.
I am a good man.
I heard you.
Where'd you guys come from?
I just came
From where is it at?
down the street. The address was...
What is the address?
I don't know if I...
Send the copy marking progress is
You need to get on my back.
Here's the thing, we just followed a stolen car out here, and that's why we're here. What's the address of the party? Is it in your phone? Alright, they just came from a party. We're going to have to go check the party out. No, we're going to, you can get in his car and show him where the party is.
But you forgot a screwdriver right here. Could you ever get rid of a screwdriver?
We have the right suspects, just so you know. We have an admission from one of them and a good description on the driver as well, so all is well. So we have North St. Paul began this chase. They fled, followed it. White Bear saw it. Washington County's here out in numbers, as well as CAT team member Chad Mueller there, Kit and Nicole. I'm just going to turn this. I don't know how old these kids are, so I'm just going to turn it a little bit. There. So we are looking for one more party that apparently ran into the woods. So they're searching for the fifth party. But outside of that, just good we were here. Good we checked out this side road. The amazing thing is we just drove by this road. Stripe had to be 2 minutes beforehand. They weren't there. They must have walked out of the woods from here. Got a good contingent of Washington County here. Headed up by Sheriff Dan Starry, great guy. Does a nice job as sheriff. Border there is Sentry or Division, whatever you want to call it. Biggest fear is that when you're detaining 4 suspects, 1 or 2 of them is going to run. That's why you have to make sure you got backup ready. One kid threw a screwdriver. I thought he was reaching for a gun, but he had a screwdriver in his pants. He threw it back behind him. We're waiting for North St. Paul to figure out what they want to do with all 4, and they're searching for a 5th one. So the driver's been identified by one of the passengers, also by one of the North St. Paul guys. if you're a wife or a family member of the Washington County Sheriff's deputy, you can call them and tell them they did a great job. I don't know. I don't think they know they're live on patrol. But you could ring them up right now and just tell them, hey, I see you live on patrol. That one suspect refused to get on the ground, and of course, as you know, when that happens, I have to bring out the dad voice. But you got 4 people. Two of them on their knees, the other 2 not on their knees, and it's a lot easier to run when you're not on your knees. Fortunately, they probably didn't know their way around up here. Thanks, Nick. We ready, Pat?
Yes, sir.
Pat just loves this stuff. So I want to know how you figured out where we were. Or didn't you?
I didn't. I said check our MDT for where we are.
Really? Holy mackerel. I thought that was pretty impressive.
I'm good. I ain't that good.
Gentlemen, Washington County, thank you. Appreciate everything, all your help. Tell your sheriff I said hi. I don't know if we can get out. We might be stuck. We might be stuck. Well, you know, it's funny. We just drove down this street like 2 minutes before we turned around. They weren't on there.
Mm-mm.
So they must have
They
just
popped out of the woods.
Popped out of the woods. Bad luck for them, huh? Bad luck. Well, it's because we knew our way around.
Not me. I pulled over because I saw a squad coming behind me to follow them.
Yeah.
And so then I start following them, and then they pull over and start following me. It was one of our deputies.
Jeez. Well, you know, I had no idea how everybody got here so fast because I was dealing with the suspects, but Pat wisely told them check our MDT.
He did, and they gave an exact.
They gave an exact address, but I heard it on the radio, and I'm thinking, how the hell?
Dispatchers.
Yeah, thank you, dispatchers, for figuring that. Because I was thinking, how the hell do they know where that is exactly? So thanks to our dispatchers.
Yeah, I'm gonna give her a little thank you right here.
Oh.
2755 and 2400. We're going to be clear from the scene and dispatcher. Thank you for figuring out where we were.
Yeah.
You are very welcome. Thank you for all your hard work. I'll show you clear at 2341.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
3912.
Okay, now you should answer. Can you tell us how to get out of here now?
3912.
I don't have a clue.
Yeah, I didn't copy that last, but we're
So they
going
must
for
have been
here.
walking through these
Drop the patch.
weeds.
Cancel the 10-1, and thanks for Washco, the sheriff's office, and Trooper 8, and anybody else who showed up to help out. Appreciate all the help.
Well, we got the driver.
Yep.
Ramsey County clear of LTAC 1 at 2341.
Looks like maybe. Oh, he turned his lights on.
I imagine they had that screwdriver so they could find another car to take.
Yeah, chip away. Chip away. Yeah, I thought when I saw him grab that in his waistband, I thought, oh, fuck, it's a gun. Oh, pardon my language. But that was what I was thinking. But I saw him throw it before I got too concerned. But I could tell it was a bigger object, and then he pretended it was his.
It's yours.
But we got lots of keys up here, Pat. That's the other car. So, well, that's satisfying, isn't it? And like I was telling the viewers, one of the passengers confessed
Yep.
to what was happening. So that's always helpful.
Yes, indeed.